Welcome back. I am Rajesh, a motivational speaker and agriculture student. In this video, you can see about modern updated knowledge of all subjects of agriculture, technical education, traditional culture, motivational speech, etc. In this video, we'll discuss about Chapter 3 of Extension Education and Community Development. Let's start our class. Then Chapter 3 is Teaching and Learning Process. Then the first topic is Meaning of Learning. Learning is bringing desirable changes in human behavior through experiences and activity. It changes the knowledge, skill, attitude and behavior of people. Learning involves mental and physical activities. Second topic is meaning of teaching. Teaching is creating a situation for learning. It is directing the learning process. Therefore, in teaching, a teacher provides material and guidance. It facilitates the learning process of learner. Then the next topic is adult learning. An adult is physically matured person of 40 to 50 or above, but there is no age bar in extension to be adult. Adult learning is bringing changes in adult behavior. It changes the knowledge, skill, attitude and behavior of adult. Next topic is factors affecting the adult learning. First, rapport and empathy. Second, the four basic wishes. First, the wish for security, desire for response. Next is the wish for response. Next, for the wish, the desire for new experience. Third, emotionality or rationality. Fourth, suggestibility and suspiciousness. Fifth, amativeness and assertiveness. Sixth, group loyalty and individualism. Seventh, adherence to tradition and changeability. Eighth, creativity and pragmatism. Ninth, austerity and donation to harm. 10th, religions and skepticism. 11th, relating negative trials. Next is concept of learning. Concept of learning. Learning means noticing a change in behavior through experiences. Learning involves mental as well as physical activities on the part of the learner by means of which knowledge, attitude, skills, habit, ideas, etc. are required, resulting in a change in behavior. Teaching learning is a continuous process. By this process, the learner experiences changes in this behavior through his own efforts. First, principle of teaching learning of adult education. Then it includes first, adult learn best when there is interest, when their needs being met. Next, best thinking is stimulated. Next, when active participation provided, when correct behavior is reinforced, when they are not under stress. Then the next topic is elements of teaching learning process. A teaching learning situation is a condition or environment in which all the elements are conducive to learning present are. An effective teaching learning consists of 5 essential elements. They are instructor, learner, subject matter, teaching equipment, material and facilities. Next topic is laws and principle of teaching learning process. Laws and principle of teaching learning process based on stimulus response. SR bond. Edward Thorndike has invented one principle referred to as consensus theories. Best assumption of SR theories is that the stimulus causes response. 4 important laws from this theory of principle are laws of readiness, laws of exercise, laws of effect, and the fourth is laws of beginning. Let's describe about it. And the first is laws of readiness. It includes this law states that learners will become ready to learn when they feel that their needs and motives will be satisfied by learning the new behavior. Once the learners become ready to learn, they should be provided relevant activities which promote learning particular behavior. This is the second laws of exercise. And third, law of effect. Fourth, law of belonging. And this is the description of this laws and principles, and this is very important for exam point of view. And the next topic is extension teaching method. Extension teaching methods are the teaching devices used by the extension worker in diffusion and adoption of information. These methods are tools to extension workers, awareness, skewness drivers for the engineers. Classification of extension teaching methods are classified by Wilson Gallup 1955 as follows: individual contact method, farm, home visit, office calls, telephone calls, personal letter. Second is group contact, result demonstration, method demonstration, tours meeting, or the result demonstration, conference, discussion meetings. And the third is mass contact method and the bulletins. These are its factors. And where it's go? Yeah. Then the next is news stories, radios, television, posters, exhibitions, mass medias. Then the first is individual contact method, and this is the description of individual contact method. That is, it can be used for contacting one person at a time and conveying the necessary information to him. This is the first fireman home visit. Second is office call, telephone calls. Third is personal letter. And this is the advantage of individual contact and objectives of individual contacts. This is the description, and we have to learn it. And the second is group contact method. It is also directed contact of extension work with a group of individuals for a definite purpose. As compared to the individual contact, it can reach more people at a time in a certain time. And it includes first demonstration. Demonstration is classified into types: result demonstration and method demonstration. And this is the description of it. And the differences between result and method demonstration are discussed after this video. Mass method contact. Mass method contact methods are all those means of imparting information to a large number of people quickly a single source. And this is the description of a mass contact media or method. It includes first printed media. It includes first pamphlet, leaflet, folder, booklet, and the non-printed media as like films, videos, televisions, etc. And the next topic is communication. Communication is the process by which two or more people exchanging ideas, facts, feeling, information, knowledge, technology in such a way that it gains a common understanding if the meaning, purpose, and use of message. This is the defined by Legans, and the second is Holland. And the next is meaning of communication. Meaning is the word derived from Latin word, and the Latin word is communicus, which means common, and cation, which means information. It is a process of transferring a new idea or skill or attitude from one person to the another accurately, satisfactory. In other word, it is sharing of ideas, attitude, and or skill between one person or more person. Next is elements of communication. There are 5 elements of communication. Sometimes it includes 4 elements: sender, message, channel, and receiver. And here it includes 5 elements. This is sender, message, treatment of the message, channel, receiver. And this is the description of it. We have to take this. And this is channel, receiver. Here it includes at first sender, message, treatment of message. Next is channel, and the last is receiver. And the last topic is role of communication in agriculture development. And this is the very important for exam point of view. So you have to learn it, write it. And that's our topics are finished here. If you want to take more information notes, please like and subscribe my channel for motivate me to upload more videos. If this video is essential for other friends, then share this video. And never miss to like and subscribe and share. If you have any doubt or problems on this subject, you can comment in comment box as soon as possible. I will reply. Your friend Rajesh Shah.